That's right.
Anything except a human heart.
There you go. Woo!
That's one thing we can all share. Here's one of the best heartbreak songs.
That's right.
I can't make you love me.
It is. Yeah, Bonnie, sing it, baby.
All right, you people, quit.
Turn down the bell, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me close, don't patronize. Don't patronize me, 'cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't here in the dark. These final hours, when I lay down my heart, I feel the power when you won't. I can't make you love me if you a love you don't feel when you're holding me, and the morning will come. I'll do what's right.
Man, I love y'all.
Oh, Lord.
Give me till then and give up this fight. And I will give up. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. We're here in the dark in this final hour, and I lay down my heart and feel the power when you won't. I can't make you love me if you